Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have owner or editor access. Without it, you can't see full analytics. Open YouTube Studio and go straight to analytics. Pick a date range like last 28 or custom. Focus on the watch time, hours, metric, and compare it to views to gauge engagement. Once done, note which videos contribute most to total watch time. This tells you where retention is working. Make sure to record the time frame so comparisons stay consistent. Once you're in advanced mode, filter and group the data so you can see watch time by video, traffic source, or country. This shows the why behind numbers. Use compare to place date ranges against each other to spot trends. Check average view duration and audience retention to understand where viewers drop off. Those gaps point to fixable problems. Also inspect traffic sources. External traffic often yields different watch time behavior versus YouTube recommendations, so treat them differently when planning changes. After you've identified which videos and segments drive watch time, export a CSV to run deeper analysis or share with your team. Spreadsheets make comparisons and pivots easy. Then create concrete actions, optimize thumbnails and openers, reorganize into playlists, or adjust upload cadence to amplify watch time. If numbers seem off or missing, make sure you have proper channel permissions and remember analytics can delay. Wait 48 to 7.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.